Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, It's Keys TV. If you're new here, hello, thank you so much for joining me. I had to do a couple of things today, but I just received my keys for my new place. I'm about to do an empty house tour and I have my son Samaj with me. We have like 30 minutes and then I have to leave from here to go to his new school. I apologize if it's a little echoey, but it is an empty house. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, y'all, so this is my front door right here. And you see, I only got this little light. I didn't want to start the video right here because it's a little dim. When you come in the front door, you go to the left. We have the bathroom. Let me give y'all some light. There's me, your one and only. Got the mirror, the sink, the toilet. And in this bathroom, we have washer and dryer hookups and a shelf for the laundry soap. This is another light and a fan. Okay, leaving out the bathroom, you got this long hallway. So let's go through each and every little door that you see. We got the double doors right here, little closet. Got the guests come over, you know, you can hang up the stuff, which it will never be anyone in this house anyway. So I don't even know why I said that, but you can hang some stuff up in this closet with the coats. You know, damn, who said to shut like that? Jesus Christ. Then we'll go right here. Got the furnace room. You know, a little 1-2 step. Don't really need to be in here. Behind me, we have the garage. This is where I'll keep my vehicle, of course. Got the garage. Okay. Next to the garage, we have storage room. Or it could be like a little shelter area for the bad weather. Behind this door, we have the kitchen. And I love the kitchen. We have this island countertop, if you will, whatever. My new keys and then my garage opener. Dishwasher right here. And then we got the cabinet space. I ain't gonna really show y'all all underneath everything, but y'all get it, y'all understand. Got the sink, got the stove. I love that we have a brand new stove. Oven. Got the little, I like this, it's a little metal. Yeah. Oh, y'all see my nails? Since we have some pretty light, look at them. So pretty. I love my new nails. I just got them done yesterday. Turn it off. Oh, and you guys, I love this cabinet right here. It pulls out, you see that? It pulls out, and that's what it looks like. Cabinet space. Kitchen, and then let me show y'all the fridge. Gotta wipe everything down. Y'all know how that goes. Gotta disinfect everything, wipe everything down. Get it nice and clean. Gotta sweep, because there's a lot of dead bugs in here. This is the dining room. Let me give y'all a quick walk back so y'all can see what it looks like. And then got a light right there. Ooh, it's getting blurry, sorry y'all. And we got a patio. I don't know if I'm gonna keep a dining room table in here or not, but I will get bar stools for the counter because I love that little island area like that. Got a patio. I'm gonna show y'all too much, you know, because y'all nosy. Okay, so now we're going to the living room. Hey, Samaj. Got the big window. This is the living room. Hopefully I can fit all my furniture in here because the living room is a lot smaller. This is what it looks like from this side or this angle. There's Samaj. She's gonna take us upstairs. We got the 2 steps right here. And then the steps that lead upstairs. I'm gonna take y'all to the right side, but first, turn around. Show y'all what it looks like when you come upstairs. And then the first thing you see is this closet. Give y'all some light. Got this little linen closet right here. And we could put towels and extra sheets and blankets in there, hair supply, whatever. Behind me, we have this area. I'll show you this first because then there's a bathroom right there. But we have this little extra sink area right here. There's me again. Hey. And then a towel rack, cabinet space underneath. And then let's go in here because this is the upstairs bathroom. We have to definitely do some cleaning in this bathroom. And already, I'm not liking that light. It's already tweaking. You see that? No. Got the sink, cabinet space. And then we got a medicine cabinet. Is this open? Oh, I do. Old school medicine cabinet. Probably will never use that. And then the tub needs to be cleaned out immediately. This is a big no-no. See, this is why you have to clean your place when you first move in, because they clearly don't clean anything. Okay, going out of there. Now, Samaj is standing here because this is his new room that he's going to be sharing with his big sister. I don't want to hear what y'all have to say because y'all already had a lot to say before with him and his sister sharing. We're going to a smaller place, 3 bedrooms, so this is the way we're doing it in my household, unless you want to pay my bills. Anyways, this is their bedroom. Since it's going to be 2 people in here, they can have the bigger room. I'll stand on this side so y'all can see because it got like the double closet door, and I think I love that for them. That's what it looks like when it's shut. Okay, got the double closet doors. They got 2 separate shelves. This is one, that's the other shelf. And it goes all the way down there. So the closet is pretty huge, and I'll give you a view from here. So yeah, nice size closet for 2 people to be in here. Going to the right, we have Ariana's room. The kids can have that room by each other. That's all I know. This is her closet. The only thing I don't like about the closet is because the door goes in the closet to shut, which is weird, but I love it because it's a nice size walk-in closet. And she got shelves. And this is what it looks like from the inside. So yeah, nice little space in here. Turn this light off. Okay, so leaving out of there, last but not least, we're gonna come over here from my room. So this is gonna be my bedroom. I feel like my and Samaj's room is probably the same size as this room. This is what it looks like on this side. And then here is my closet. When you open it. So very spacious. I think I'll be able to put all my shoes and clothes back in here and fit my bed and everything. But yeah, you guys, that is it for the house tour. Let's head back downstairs. All right, you guys, so that is going to be it for this empty house tour. A lot of dead bugs. We got to clean all of that up for one. Sweep, vacuum, whatever. Wipe down the blinds and stuff, the doorknobs, disinfect everything, wipe the sinks out, clean that bathroom tub, wipe out the refrigerator and stuff. Yeah, we got to do quite a few things, of course, before moving in, but I do have my new keys. Anyways, yeah, we got to head out of here because he needs to get to his new school so he can do a tour over there. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you would like to see that deep cleaning video. We're moving in 2 days, guys. I'm so excited. Just let me know in the comments down below in this video and I'll be sure to post a deep cleaning video. I should have this video posted by Tuesday morning, tomorrow morning. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.